Okay, for example 7, we're going to use our calculator to graph the equations, then find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the graphs to the nearest 10,000th. And then what the points of intersection, so they're looking for an xy coordinate of the points of intersection. All right. What I want you to do for these, because your calculator is going to be doing most of the hard work for you, is I want you to write down on your paper what you're typing in your calculator. Like so. And then we go to our calculator and type in exactly that in our calculator. So y1, I'm going to put x squared plus 2x minus 4. And y2 is going to be x minus 1. And then I don't really know where these things are going to intersect. So what I'm going to do is just a standard zoom. That's zoom 6. That's negative 10 to 10 on x and negative 10 to 10 on y. And we should see a parabola for the first one, a straight line for the second one. Maybe there it is, straight line, okay. And we're looking for points of intersection. We can see some points of intersection. Is there anybody who believes there's more than that? There's more than just the two. Okay, imagine what we know about parabolas. The parabola is going to go like that and continue up forever, right? So it's not going to start turning back down. The line's going to go like that. It's not going to turn back that way. So that's it. That's it for points of intersection. I can see them, so that's good enough. If you wanted to zoom in a little bit, looks like everything's happened between negative 3 and 2 on the x, and maybe negative 5 and 1 on the y if you wanted to go there. I'm going to leave it like that. If I'm trying to find points of intersection with a calculator, I'm going to go right above trace, hit calc, so second, trace, that brings up the calculation menu. We're looking for points of intersection, that's number 5. Now if there's only one point of intersection, there's no thought, you hit enter, enter, enter. Okay, but we have 2 points of intersection. Each case the blue line's intersecting the red line into specific numbers. Okay, so just looking for 3 things: line 1, line 2, and guess. All right, guess is where you're going to have to think a little bit. But line 1 and line 2, or curve 1 and curve 2. First curve is blue, enter. Second curve is red, enter. It doesn't matter where I'm at on the curves, when I hit enter on those, just hit enter. The third thing, though, it wants to guess. I want to find this answer, which is close to negative 2 by my vision. So I'm going to guess negative 2. I'm going to guess near that point of intersection. It should find me that point of intersection, which it did. So I'm getting x equals negative 2.302776, and I'm getting y equals negative 3.302776. That's one point of intersection. We'll deal with that as an ordered pair in a minute. The other point of intersection is over here between 1 and 2. So again, I'm going to go to second calc. I'm choosing intersect. Again, it's on the blue curve right now. It doesn't matter where I'm at on the blue curve. I'm just telling you what curves I'm talking about. So I want the blue curve to intersect the red curve. Enter, enter. My guess this time, I'm going to guess 1.2. I'm going to get near that answer, hit enter. It's actually 1.302776. And y is equal to 0.3027756.4. Alright? The guess you're putting in there is the x coordinate of the guess, not the y coordinate. So I'm guessing what it's close to on the x-axis. Close to negative 2, close to 1.2. And I found my answer. Once you've established the answer, so this is the second thing I want to have from you, is the x and y coordinates of the points of intersection that you found using the calc intersect. So I want to see what you typed in for your equations. I want to see what you got for answers to as many decimal places as the calculator is willing to display. And finally, it says round to the nearest 10,000th. 10,000ths, we got tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths. That's 4 decimal places. So looking at these numbers that we have here, 1, 2, 3, here's the 4th, 1, 2, 3, here's the 4th, 1, 2, 3, here's the 4th, and 1, 2, 3, here's the 4th. So my first ordered pair is going to be negative 2.3028, comma, negative 3.3028. My second ordered pair is going to come from this one, x first, 1.3028, comma, 0.3028. The reason the decimals match exactly is because the second equation just says y equals x minus 1. You take x, you subtract 1, the decimals stay the same, right? Take x, subtract 1, the decimals stay the same, just the whole number changes. So if there was a little bit more elaborate equation, you're going to get a little bit more variance on the answers. But again, that's what I look for, x and y coordinates, round to the nearest, whatever they tell you to round to. tell me what you typed in, tell me what you got for the answers to as many decimal places as the calculator is willing to display, and then round them correctly as ordered pairs for your final answer.